Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bypass the OnlyFans ad card requirement. So, let's get started. When you try to access content on OnlyFans, even free pages, it often asks you to add payment card. But if you are not planning to make any purchase, this can be frustrating. Here's a simple trick to bypass it without using a real card. First of all, create an account on OnlyFans or log into your existing one. After logging in, go to any free creator profile you want to follow. Here's the key step. Open an incognito window or private browsing mode, then use a virtual card generator like privacy.com or Revolut. These services provide a temporary card number that works without linking to your actual bank account. Once added, OnlyFans won't charge you for free content, but the card requirement get bypassed because the system accepts the virtual card as valid. Just make sure the virtual card has zero balance or is locked to avoid any charges. And that's it. Now you know how to bypass the OnlyFans ad card requirement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.